Let's learn how to record audio and put sound effects into buttons on Proloquo2Go for our gestalt language processors. First, go to the page you want to edit. Then click the button. On the far right, press a speech bubble with a plus sign. Type in the sound effect that you want. Press done, then test it out.
I'm sad.
There are lots of other sounds and expressions to explore. The expressions have great intonation and sound like a real kid voice.
Daddy! I don't want to. Just kidding. Mommy!
Now let's record our own voice. You could also record audio from part of a song or video. Press the microphone, press record audio, record what you want, press done, and test it out. Super easy to customize.